Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss application of derivatives. In this chapter, we are going to the problems based on tangents and normals to the given curve. Okay, my dear children. Exercise 6.3. The entire exercise based on the concepts of tangents and normals to the given curve at a given point. Okay, my dear children, see page number 211 in the textbook. Are you ready to listen the class? Right. Now come to the question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Understood this question, my dear children? What is given? Equation of a curve is given and a point x is equal to 4 also given. What should we find? Slope of the tangent to the curve at x is equal to 4. Understood this point, my dear children? Understood this question? Right. Now come to the solution. What is the given curve? Let us write it. Y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x. Previously, at the time of concepts, we have discussed that to find the equation of tangent or slope of the tangents, first and foremost thing is we have to find derivative of the given function. Okay, my children. So dy by dx, what is the dy by dx? What is the derivative of this function? 12x cube minus 4. We have written directly the derivative of this given function is 12x cube minus 4. We have already practiced many sums to find the derivative of a given function. That is why we wrote the derivative of this given function directly here. Understood this point, my children? Understood this step how we got to 12x cube minus 4, right? So this is dy by dx, derivative of the given function. In this function, in this derivative of the given function, we have to substitute x is equal to 4. Then automatically we find the slope of the tangent. So dy by dx at 4. We denote that slope of the tangent at x is equal to 4 is dy by dx at x is equal to 4 is equal to, what is the derivative of the given function? 12x cube minus 4 at x is equal to 4. It means we have to substitute x is equal to 4 in this expression. Understood, my dear children? Right. That is equal to 12 into, what is x value here? 4. 4 cube minus 4. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. That is equal to 12 into, what is the value of 4 cube? 64. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. Minus 4. We wrote the second term as it is. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. By simplifying these two numbers, finally we get 764. This is nothing but, this number is nothing but slope of the tangent to the given curve y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4 at x is equal to 4. Understood, my children? Right. Now come to the question number 2. This question is also same as that of question number 1. Just equation of the curve is different. Only equation of the curve is given as a very different equation. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2, comma x is not equal to 2 at x is equal to 10. Understood this question, my children? This is the equation of the curve. At what point we have to find slope of the tangent at x is equal to 10. Then what are the steps to be followed? First of all, we have to find derivative of this given curve. Okay, my children, remember these points, my children. When you are getting the terms tangent and the normal, then immediately find the derivative of the given function. Okay, right. Now come to the solution part. What is the given curve? Y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. Then dy by dx is equal to, which formula can be used here? Yes, u by v rule, quotient rule, u by v. This is u, x minus 1 is assumed as u and x minus 2 is assumed as v. So v into means x minus 2 into derivative of this function. What will you get? A derivative of this function? 1 only. Understood this first term in the numerator, my dear children? Right. We are directly writing the values. Okay, my dear children. Minus u into, that is x minus 1 into derivative of denominator. What is the derivative of the denominator? Find the derivative of this function in rough work. What will you get? 1 only. Understood the second term one in the numerator part, my children? Right. Whole divided by v square. What is v? X minus 2 whole square. Understood this step, my children? We used here u by v rule, quotient rule. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to x minus 2 into 1. What will you get here? X minus 2. We are multiplying by minus. Then what will you get? Minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by x minus 2 whole square. Understood this step, my children? Right. Here plus x minus x gets cancelled in the numerator. Minus 2 plus 1 will be left. What is the value of minus 2 plus 1? Minus 1. Understood the numerator, my children? Right. Whole divided by x minus 2 whole square. Understood this step, my children? This is nothing but the value of dy by dx. We got derivative of the given function we found here. Understood, my children? Right. Then what should we find? What should be found? The slope of the tangent. Thus, the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 10 is given by, how do you write this notation? How do you write this sentence in the form of notation? Dy by dx at x is equal to 10. The entire statement, the entire sentence can be denoted by this notation. Okay, my children, remember these notations also. Is equal to, what is the value of dy by dx? Minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. So in this result, we substitute x is equal to 10. Understood, my children? Right. So minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square at x is equal to 10 means we have to substitute x is equal to 10 in this result. Understood this step, my children? Right. Is equal to minus 1 by, what is x value here? 10 minus 2 whole square. Understood this step, my children? Just we substituted the value of x, that is x is equal to 10. Then we get this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. Is equal to minus 1 by, what will you get in the denominator? 10 minus 2, 8. 8 whole square. What is the value of 8 square? 64. Understood this step, my children? So this is this number minus 1 by 64 is said to be slope of the tangent to the given curve at x is equal to 10. Hence, the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 10 is minus 1 by 64. Understood this step question, my children? Right. Now come to the question number 3. See the question number 3. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Understood this question, my children? What is given in the question? Equation of the curve is given and point is also given indirectly. How it is given? The point whose x coordinate is 2. It is nothing but x is equal to 2 only. Indirectly they gave in the form of a sentence. X coordinate is equal to means x is equal to 2 only. Same as that of question number 2. Okay, my children? Right. Now come to the solution part. What is a given curve? Y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1. What I said, when you are getting a question with the terms tangent or normal, immediately find the derivative of the given function. So dy by dx, therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of this function? 3x square minus 1. Here it is 1. The constant, derivative of a constant is 0. So for the first term we get to 3x square. The derivative of the second term is minus 1. Understood this step, my children? We wrote the derivative of the given function directly because we have done many questions finding the derivative of the given function step by step, term by term, every term clearly. So after we crossed some stage, we crossed that level. So we are writing the derivative of the given function directly. Okay, my children? Understood this step? Right. Now, what is the slope? How do you find the slope of the tangent? The slope of the tangent to the given curve at x0 comma y0 is dy by dx at x0 comma y0. This is the notation to denote the slope of the tangent to the given curve at the point x0 comma y0. Okay, my children. Now what is given here? X is equal to 2. X coordinate is 2 is nothing but x is equal to 2 only. Don't be confused. Okay, my children. Don't think differently. Okay, my children. Hence, the slope of the tangent at the point where x coordinate is 2 is given by dy by dx at x is equal to 2. We wrote this entire statement. We wrote this entire sentence in the form of a notation. This notation denotes the slope of the tangent to the given curve at x is equal to 2. Understood this notation, my dear children? Right, is equal to, what is dy by dx here? 3x square minus 1. We wrote here 3x square minus 1. Yet this square bracket is read as at. Okay, yet x is equal to 2. At this point, x is equal to 2. Understood this step, my children? Right. It means we have to substitute x is equal to 2 in this expression. Okay, my children? Right. That is equal to 3 into, what is x value here? 2. So 2 square minus 1. Just by substituting x is equal to 2 in this expression, we got this step. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to, now we simplify the first term. What is the value of first term? 3 into 2 square means 4. 3 into 4. What will get here? 12. 12 is the first term minus 1. We wrote second term as it is. That is equal to 11. This number denotes the slope of the tangent to the given curve at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Understood, my children? Right. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, at theta is equal to pi by 4. Here equation of the curve is not given in x and y, in the terms of x and y. Here parametric equations of the given curve. The equation of the curve is given in the parametric form. You have already studied parametric form of a curve, parametric form of an equation. The variables x and y are expressed in the third variable theta. Okay, my children, understood this point? Here parametric equations of a curve is given. We have to find the slope of the normal to this curve. Okay, my children? Right. Immediately what I said, when the term normal, you find the term normal in a given question, immediately we have to find dy by dx. But the curve is given in the parametric form. The equation of the curve is given in the parametric form. So we have to find dx by d theta and dy by d theta separately. You know that parametric differentiation. In that exercise we have found dy by dx. How do you find? First we find dx by d theta, and after that dy by d theta. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Understood these steps, my children? Right. Therefore dx by d theta is equal to, here a is a numerical coefficient. Now this is cos cube theta. It is in the form of x power n. What is the formula for x power n? N into x power n minus 1. What is n here? 3. So 3 into, here a also numerical quotient, cos square theta, into, we have to derivate cos theta. We have to find the derivative of cos theta because we are using chain rule. Understood, my children? So what is the derivative of cos theta? Minus sin theta. Understood, my children? Here in this step we used the formula x power n, d by dx of x power n formula, and d by dx of cos theta formula, and also chain rule. By using these three results we got this step. Understood this step, my children? But we are not writing that formula here. I am explaining here. Okay, my children? Directly we wrote the derivative. Okay, my children? Right, is equal to, now we are simplifying this entire term, only one term. Okay, after simplification what will you get? Minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. This is the value of dx by d theta. Understood, my children? Right. Similarly, we have to find dy by d theta. What is y here? A sin cube theta. A is numerical quotient. We write it outside. Then sin cube theta. How do you find the derivative of sin cube theta? By comparing this function with x power n. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So here n means 3. 3 into x power n means sin square theta into what is assumed as x here, sin theta. So derivative of sin theta is cos theta. We used here chain rule. So in this step also we used the formula d by dx of x power n and d by dx of sin theta and chain rule. By using these three results, we got this step. Understood this step, medicine? Dy by d theta. Right. We got here dx by d theta and we got here dy by d theta. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, how do you find dy by d theta by dx by d theta? We substitute dy by d theta value in the numerator and dx by d theta value in the denominator. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta. We got here dy by d theta. We are substituting in the numerator. Divided by what is dx by d theta minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. We substituted in the denominator. Understood this step, my children? Right. Here 3a gets cancelled. Here 1 sin theta gets cancelled in the numerator. In the denominator 1 cos theta gets cancelled. What will you get here finally? Minus sin theta by cos theta. Minus, that is equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. What is the value of sin theta by cos theta? That is tan theta. Understood, my dear children, this step? Right. Therefore, the slope of the tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4 is given by, we got here dy by dx in terms of theta. Okay, my dear children. Here theta value is also given. Theta is equal to pi by 4. We have to substitute theta is equal to pi by 4 in the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. Understood, my dear children? The entire sentence, the entire statement can be denoted by this notation. Dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4 denotes the slope of the tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4 to the given curve. Okay, my dear children, that is equal to, what is dy by dx value? Minus tan theta. So minus tan theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Means we have to substitute theta is equal to pi by 4 in this expression. Understood, my dear children? Understood this step? Right. That is equal to minus tan, what is theta value here? Pi by 4. Minus tan pi by 4. Understood this step, my dear children? Right. That is equal to minus, what is the value of tan pi by 4? Minus 1. Understood this step, my dear children? So this is the slope of the tangent to the given curve at theta is equal to pi by 4. We got here only slope of the tangent. But what is the question? Actual question, slope of the normal. We have to find slope of the normal. How do you find the slope of the normal? We have to take the negative sign, opposite sign to the slope of the tangent and it's reciprocal. Hence slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 4 is given by 1 by slope of the tan theta is equal to minus 1 by, here it is a print mistake, minus 1 by slope of the tan theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. That is equal to minus 1 by, what is the slope of the tangent here? Minus 1. By simplifying these two numbers, what will get finally? 1. Okay, my children, understood this step? So this is number. This number denotes the slope of the normal to the given curve at theta is equal to pi by 4. Understood, my children? Right. Here now I am not explaining the question number 6 because question number 6 is also same that of question number 5. Parametric equations of the curve is given. Parametric equations of the curve is given. And what is asked in the question number 6? We have to find the slope of the normal, same as that of question number 5. Only equations, parametric equations are different. So we have to follow the same steps. We follow the same procedure to find the slope of the normal to the given curve at the given point. Okay, my children? Right. Now I am explaining question number 7. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Understood this question, my children? Here we have to find the points, not slope of the tangent. Okay, my children? But what is given here? Equation of the curve is given, and also what is the given condition? The tangent is parallel to x-axis. What is given? The tangent of the given curve is parallel to the x-axis. What is the slope of the x-axis? Yes, 0. Recollect the previous knowledge. In earlier classes, you have studied slope of the x-axis is 0. Slope of the y-axis undefined. Okay, my children, we use that previous knowledge here to solve this question. Okay, my children, now come to the solution part. Let us write the given curve. Equation of the given curve. What is given curve? Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Okay, my children. So indirectly we have to find the slope of the tangent. Without finding the slope of the tangent, we can't find the points here. So dy by dx. What is the slope of the tangent? Dy by dx only. So dy by dx is equal to, we have to find derivative of this function. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Minus, come to the second term. What is the derivative of second term? Minus 6x. Now come to the derivative of third term. Minus 9x is there. What will you get? Minus 9. And last term, constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay, my children, understood this step? Derivative of this function. We wrote derivative of this function directly. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now what is given? The tangent is parallel to x-axis. When the tangent is parallel to x-axis, if the slope of the tangent is 0, because you know that property, if two lines are parallel, their slopes are also equal. In earlier classes, you have studied that property. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are also equal. So the slope of the tangent must be equal to 0. Because the slope of the x-axis is 0, so slope of the tangent is also must be equal to 0. That is why we are equating this dy by dx, that is 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Understood this step, my children? Why we have written this equation? Right. This implies we solve this equation to find the values of x. Let us take the common factor 3. From all these terms, we take the 3. Then what will you get here? X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now we have to factorize this algebraic expression. This is a quadratic polynomial. You know, you have already learnt in the previous class how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. So by using that previous knowledge, we got here x minus 1 into x plus 1. Two factors is equal to 0. Then what will you get here? X minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what will you get? X is equal to 3. And x plus 1 is equal to 0. By implies, what will you get? X is equal to minus 1. We got two values for x, 3, minus 1. If x is equal to 3, then we have to find y value by substituting x is equal to 3 in this equation. So y is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. Understood, my children? That is equal to, we have to simplify these terms. Finally, what will you get here? Minus 20. Similarly, substitute. I have not completed the part. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this expression. Then we get y coordinate. Here x coordinate, we found x coordinate x is equal to 3. Then y coordinate is minus 20. That is 1.3 minus 20. And to find the second point, x is equal to minus 1, we have to find the y coordinate. To find the y coordinate, substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. Then we get y coordinate also. Then we get another point also. Understood, my children? Right. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. This is also same as that of the question number 7. Indirectly, we had to find the slope of this line joining the 2 points. Now we equate the slope of the tangent. to this slope of the tangent of this line joining these 2 points. Understood the concept, my children? Right. If a tangent, come to the solution part, if a tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4, then the slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the chord. Isn't it or not, my children? Parallel lines means their slopes are also equal. So we are finding the slope of the chord. Do you remember the point, my children, how to find slope of a straight line? If 2 points are given on that line, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, by using that formula 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 2. Understood this step, my children? Right. That is equal to 4 minus 0. What you get in the numerator? 4 by, in the denominator 4 minus 2 is there. What will you get here in the denominator? 2. Understood this step, my children? Right. Now simplify these two numbers. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Finally, what you get here? 2. Understood this step, my children? This is the slope of the chord. Okay, my children? Right. Now let us find the slope of the tangent to this curve. Means immediately we have to find the derivative of this function. We have to find the derivative of this y. So now slope of the tangent to the given curve at a point x comma y is given by dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of x power n. X power n. What is the formula for d by dx of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So 2 into x minus 2 into derivative of this function 1 only. So we get the dy by dx is equal to 2 of x minus 2 only. Understood this step, my children? Here we used the formula d by dx of x power n and chain rule. Okay, my children? Right. So we got here slope of the tangent. Here we found slope of the chord, because since these two lines chord and tangent are equal, their slopes also equal. Since the slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the chord, we have to equate these quantities, these two quantities, because these two quantities denote the same thing. Understood this concept, my children? Right. This implies 2 of x minus 2 is equal to 2. We equated these two quantities, then we get an equation. Understood this point, my children? Understood this step? Right. Now we simplify this equation to get the value of x. After simplifying this equation, what you will get here? X is equal to 3. We got x coordinate. We had to find a point, means y coordinate also. We had to find y coordinate. How do you find y coordinate? Substitute this x value in the given curve, then we get y coordinate. Okay, my children? When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to, we substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation of the curve. So 3 minus 2 whole square. By simplifying this number, what will you get finally? 1. So x coordinate is 3, then y coordinate is 1. So this is the required point. Understood, my children? Right.